Now regression has certain peculiar characteristics or properties that you all should know. First point is very important, that is, if you have to find out the correlation, value of correlation, that can be find out with the help of regression coefficients. If you multiply both and take the under root, that is geometric mean of both the regression coefficients, it leads to the calculation of correlation. Therefore, if in any question you have been given regression coefficients or you calculated regression coefficients, you can easily calculate the value of correlation without having that big application of big formula again. Second very important property is both the regression coefficients, that is bxy and byx, cannot be greater than unity. Both together cannot be greater than unity. If either of the two can be greater than unity, but both of them together cannot be more than 1. So we can say that either both will be less than unity or one will be less than unity, right? So it must be kept in mind when you make the calculations. Both the regression coefficients will never be greater than 1. One can be there, one can be greater than 1, either of them can be greater than 1, or both can be less than 1. So all these possibilities are there. Now the third property is both the regression coefficients will have same signs. If byx is positive, then byx will also be positive. It is not that when you calculate both will be having same signs, but this is the property that you have to keep in mind. If you calculated bxy, it came out to be positive, then you have to consider byx also to be positive. Same, if your bxy comes out to be negative, then it is very much clear that byx should also be negative. Therefore, it is important property that both regression coefficients will have same signs. Therefore, if both are positive, R will be positive. If both are negative, R will be negative. This property is very crucial, so you have to apply it very carefully. I repeat again, if bxy is positive, byx will be positive. If bxy is negative, byx will be negative. So both bxy and byx must have same signs. If both are positive, R will be positive. If both are negative, so R will be negative. Another property says that if in any question standard deviation of x and standard deviation of y both are same, then the value of correlation will be equal to regression coefficients. In that question, these values will be same, and that will also be equal to your correlation. Another property says that if your R is 0, correlation is 0, in that question bxy and byx both will also be equal to 0. Another property says if both bxy and byx are same, both are equal, so ultimately it will be equal to correlation also. Another thing that I told you in the video of grouping table also, that regression coefficients are independent of change of origin, but they are not independent of change of scale. If you are changing the scale, there you have seen when we have taken I, that is we have taken a common factor, then we have multiplied in the calculation of bxy and byx. So we can say that correlation coefficients are independent of the origin, but they are not independent of the change of scale.